إن المقاومة ستقاتل بلا ضوابط وبلا قواعد وبلا أسلوب.
In a dramatic escalation of tensions, Hezbollah has released a video showcasing an array of sensitive sites across the occupied territories as the Israeli regime appears to be edging closer to a potential conflict with the Lebanese resistance movement. The footage made public by Hezbollah's military media on Sunday has been widely reported by Lebanon's Al Mayadeen television network. The video reveals vital Israeli targets only known to the occupation's security apparatus, according to Al Mayadeen. Among the critical sites identified are the research center at the Israeli regime's Dimona nuclear reactor, located in the Negev desert, the Ben Gurion International Airport in Tel Aviv, the Nevatim Air Base, one of the regime's largest military outposts. Other significant targets include the Ha Kiria complex in Tel Aviv, housing the regime's Ministry of Security and General Staff, the Ramat David Air Base in the north, and the Karish gas field off Lebanon's coast. This release follows closely on the heels of another provocative move by Hezbollah, in which the movement shared a video of its surveillance aircraft flying over substantial portions of the occupied territories. Hezbollah described this earlier video as merely the first episode of more to come. The backdrop of these developments is a period of heightened conflict sparked by the Israeli regime's sporadic attacks on Lebanon following the onset of Tel Aviv's ongoing aggressive campaign in the Gaza Strip, which began on October 7, 2023. The conflict has resulted in frequent exchanges of fire between Israeli forces and the Hezbollah, with the intensity escalating particularly after the Israeli assassination of senior Hezbollah commander Sami Taleb Abdullah. Hezbollah has responded with a barrage of rocket fire targeting the northern regions of the occupied territories. Amidst these rising tensions, the Israeli army announced on Tuesday that it had approved plans for an attack on Lebanon, raising international concerns about the possibility of the region descending into a wider conflict. Such an attack could see Lebanon facing a situation similar to that of Gaza, which has suffered severe devastation. Hezbollah Secretary General Syed Hassan Nasrallah has responded firmly to these threats. In a recent speech, Nasrallah warned that any inclusive war imposed on Lebanon would be met with fierce resistance. The resistance will fight without restraints, without rules, without limits, he declared. Nasrallah further cautioned, whoever thinks of war against us will regret it. As the situation continues to evolve, the international community watches with apprehension, aware that the potential for a broader conflict could have far-reaching consequences for the region and beyond.